Loper.
Oh, it's like Christmas morning.
It is.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Christmas for you.
All right, baby.
Pain in the butt for Josh.
Yeah, it's all good.
And a great video for me.
See that big field over there with all the trees in it?
Yes?
You guys don't cut your bullshit, you can end up out there.
Ah.
How much of this shit do I have to listen to?
Good morning, YouTube. We are at Exotic Power and Performance, and the reason is because we're doing an upgrade. I don't know how that's possible considering he's already got probably the loudest 458. Yeah, we're actually upgrading the exhaust. Oh, that hurt.
And supposedly it's gonna sound even better with titanium.
Ow. My ear.
Oh, my freaking ears!
This one doesn't work so well. This one still works. This is gonna be epic. We've got some awesome, crazy awesome stuff to show you.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
Okay, it's story time, courtesy of the Loper.
All right, so we remember last time we were here together, the Elast exhaust system, the IPE stainless steel exhaust, had a little hole in it.
Yeah.
Josh and his guys did a great job of patching it up, throwing it back in, and I've had it for about a month now, and it's been great. But today, now we're going to install the brand new titanium F1 exhaust. And by the way, this is first one of one right here, one of one.
It's literally the first one.
Of the new generation. They sold this thing a couple years back, and they stopped selling them, and now they've relaunched it again, so it's the first one in the US, so I'm super pumped about that. But IPE, you guys remember, this car had about 6 years of hard driving of the old exhaust. And IPE was awesome to work with, and they actually worked with me on getting this brand new exhaust, first one in the United States, so I'm super excited about that. And then we're off to the races. We're gonna get this baby installed.
Do you think we should make them wait, or should we show them? I think we should show them one piece. Let's just show them one piece.
Let's show them one piece. Which piece you want to show?
I don't care.
Just the tip.
Just the
tip,
tip.
okay,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
tip.
just the tip. Literally just the tip. Yeah. Josh has got it. Where's the tip?
Here's the tip.
Yeah.
Yeah, gold-blooded.
That is glorious.
And there's another guy right now as we speak who just got the same exhaust setup. It's IPE 458 F1. That's his Instagram. He's getting his installed in London right now.
I just realized the problem. You're gonna have to change the color of your wheels to gold.
My wife doesn't like my wheels. I think they're like the most, next to you, honey, they're the second most beautiful thing ever. Hey, we should get a poll started.
I think, what do you
Get
think?
them powder coated in
Should he make the wheels match the gold?
That'd be kind of different.
That would be pretty awesome.
Goldfinger would say, I like gold.
I like gold.
I love gold!
Well, let's see what the fans think.
All right. Well, Josh is gonna be doing most of the work, so for once, I'm just gonna kind of stand around and film, and then occasionally help when he says, "Get in here and help." But pretty much, he's probably gonna say, "Get out of my way." So I will do that as much as possible. By the way, when this is all done and your ears are blown out like mine, and you're thinking, "Damn, I need to get an IP exhaust," well, guess what? I'm selling them on my website, normalguysupercar.com, and even better, Josh is installing them here at Exotic Power and Performance. So. Woo! If you need the whole deal, get in touch with me and we can find an exhaust for your car.
And that'll become in titanium and stainless.
Yeah, you can get it in titanium or stainless, either one. Obviously, the titanium is
Titanium!
more expensive because, well, it's titanium. It's also light as crap. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
The middle one doesn't
What
work
do you do
anyway.
with
The middle one's
are you
fake
gonna sell
anyway.
your old tips?
I'd like to sell the whole system.
Okay.
So if any of your fans
Oh,
are
well,
interested,
I could put it up for sale on my website.
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Yeah,
if you
definitely.
want the Loper's old exhaust, it's going to be just cat's back, right? So straight pipe and the rest of the exhaust, not the headers. 'Cause
Exactly.
We're not changing those
and
out.
I'll even sign it. If someone
Cat
wants to-
delete pipes, rear valve section, tips.
Loper is going to do wrenching?
I ordered this on Amazon. It's one of my big tool purchases.
Your hands are going to get dirty.
I got gloves.
Oh, dang. I shouldn't have said that.
Look, I'm trying to get a little more, handy.
Okay, well, this will
So-
be interesting.
Well, don't film the whole thing, because if I make a mistake, then
Okay.
I'm gonna get a lot of nasty flame messages.
Can you tell I'm not handy? Can you tell I don't do this all the time?
I can't believe you're wrenching and getting dirty.
I'm trying to build my brand because I got a lot of nasty hate mail in the past.
So what you're saying is
Loper just waxes his car, but he can't do anything else.
the influencer is being influenced by the comments.
You're the influencer. I'm the man behind the man.
Oh, okay. I see how it works. All right, we have access to the test pipes. Look at, ooh, Novtec. Let's see this come out.
You gotta give her a little bit of a yank.
Which way down?
Push up.
Here we
Kind
go.
of weird. You gotta.
Oh,
there.
jeez.
There you go.
There, I got you.
Got it?
All right, I think those are also 10 mil.
Okay, 10 mil. I know somebody with a 10 mil socket.
Oh, congratulations.
Woo!
You trust him with a power tool? All right. That's true.
It's the only tool I own.
It's his car.
Yeah, it's his car, it's his tool. He can break whatever you want.
Yikes.
God damn it. This is why I like watching professionals, because you learn things. I didn't know you could undo that stupid thing. Oh my god.
That's why trying to do this on Loper's drive-on lift at his house made me absolutely furious.
Yeah, because it's in the way.
Yes. The
couldn't-
lift's in the way, the bumper's in the way, the thing's in the way, the things are in the way. It was miserable.
I'm so glad I know about that now.
Hey, look what happened. This
Yeah.
thing came out of the thing. Look.
Oh.
That's bad.
Oh. Yeah, we could press it back in.
Stick it up. Magic.
There you go.
You stick that thing back in there.
Yeah.
Oh, these are much lighter.
Yeah, because it's titanium.
I thought those were titanium.
I know, you just gained like 10 extra horsepower by weight
Yeah,
reduction.
exactly. I actually thought those were titanium tips, no?
With the blue, they might be.
The metal might be, but
It's so much lighter. No way, feel that. Feel how heavy that is.
okay, it's pretty heavy.
Feel that.
Oh my god, this weighs nothing. Wow, that's kind of surprising. That's like 2 pounds difference
Yeah.
on a 3 pound part. See this? Ah,
Pretty sweet.
that is pretty cool looking.
It's different, right?
Yeah, I like it.
Changes it up a little.
Ooh.
So IP hooked me up. They did a
Look at
little
that.
custom noisy F1.
One of one, noisy F1. That's actually really cool. Wow, that is
Those guys really stepped up.
a beautiful piece. I have
It's
to
so
say.
light.
Look at it over here because the light.
And the welds are great. Look how nice the welds are.
Yeah, that's beautiful. They did a good job. How much does this thing weigh?
Nothing.
Oh my god. Dude, I would be curious how much that saves over factory.
Yeah.
Good lord. Factory exhaust is heavy. Just look at that. It's glorious. Absolutely glorious. We were going over and really looking at it. Now we kind of like pre-assembled it just to lay it out. And man, everything about the welds are just perfect. They did all these little details on it. So, you know, it's got actually right there, noisy F1, one of one. Just cool little things like that. They got these amazing blankets. These are really, really high quality heat blankets.
I really like how they put the extra gusseting in for the hangers. 'Cause
Yeah.
This is the problem that we had with the old stainless system.
Right.
Is it ripped out here and broke the pipe. So before they'd had the rod just welded to the pipe. Now they've got these hats all welded all the way around, and they added this extra little dog leg here.
Yeah. Look at that. You can really see the extra material overlaying the bar. So now it's not just being supported right here, it's being supported out there, which is going to distribute all that weight and
Another
support.
kind of interesting detail is how much work they put into these relief cuts here for where it slips over the pipe, because now you see how they have that cut there. It allows the pipe to really open up. That was one of the hard things I had getting the original one on and off, is it, you know, heat cycles and you get all the corrosion buildup. It's been clamped down, you know, and all of that, so it gets difficult to pull them back apart because the pipes are all deformed into the clamp position. But with all these reliefs, this stuff should be able to come on and off a couple of times without any problems.
Yeah. Plus it just looks beautiful.
It's gorgeous.
The joys of mangling exhausts in and out, wrestling them in, wrestling them out.
Because the cap should come off.
Yeah, that's right. Flat right, yank it out.
Alright, now we'll bring the car up.
Oh, I see those hangers. Yeah.
Yes. Exhaust work is fun. Good halfway.
It used to be a 3-inch exhaust, now it's 2 3/4.
Ta-da!
Mic drop.
I'm gonna get a $500 discount on it.
Yeah, I'd say we may have to discount the exhaust. What do you think? $2 grand?
For the low price of $999.99.
Oh, it's got a little dent.
We should be able to find a 458 guy.
It'll be fine. Well, if you want this exhaust, get in touch with me, Dan at normalguysupercar.com. You know, obviously it got a little dented right there. and a little dented right there, but actually that side's in pretty solid shape. Otherwise, it's yeah, full IP exhaust, cat delete, and the blue tips. Ooh, ah, ooh, ah. Yeah, and it'll come with the valve controller.
Never used.
Woo, valve controller. Hooray. New cat deletes. Pretty.
This is for race use only.
Yes.
You're not going on the street with this, are you, Chris?
No.
Never. Never. You would
I'm
never.
going on the street. Of course I'm going on the street with this.
No, shut up. No, you would
No,
never.
I'm not. I would never do that.
That's right. Never. In she goes.
There it goes.
Now that's one thing I liked about the 360s and the 430s.
Yeah, being able to see the exhaust.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. Gently beating it into place. Such a weird sight seeing Loper actually doing something productive on a car.
Besides just waxing it, I keep my cars pretty clean.
Do the other side.
Okay.
Well, we have the exhaust is in and connected, and we just ran the new vacuum lines. There's a little solenoid. It's overriding the factory lines. The IP kit actually has like a separate solenoid and stuff. You can see it chilling in there and there. I'm getting pretty close. We're gonna try and test the vacuum lines pretty soon here. Working hard or hardly working?
It's amazing you can throw these things in a half an hour. It's incredible.
Yeah, half hour.
You Loper.
Yeah. Josh begs to disagree.
Josh had the best day of his life. Gets to hang out with Dan and Loper all day.
Tell your wives you won't be making it home. You
He's gonna throw us in a field.
You guys are dead to everyone.
True.
You guys aren't so bad.
We're not so bad.
At least we entertain you with stupidity.
Yeah, we keep you entertained.
Yeah, I'm f***ing entertained. I'm laughing.
It's almost like a song. It's like the New Kids on the Block. Remember those guys?
Oh my god. The right stuff. Alrighty, we're almost ready to do a startup and test the valves, make sure that they're working, and sound test. Yes, we need a sound test.
Mickey, do the thing, Loper. That'll do, donkey.
Dude, the flames that shot out were pretty epic.
What?
Yeah.
Daniel!
It was pretty sweet. Well, at least we got the satisfaction of starting it up and getting a couple of reps. I have to get home because I have a live in like an hour and a half, so I need to run. But they're gonna bolt it up, and then I'm gonna meet with Loper tomorrow because I need to hear some proper acceleration runs. Probably need to go for a ride.
Of course.
Yeah, I need to go. We need to go for a ride.
Proper
so,
test.
Yeah, we got to break it in properly. So we'll go do that tomorrow. We'll see you tomorrow, and we'll get this thing all wrapped up, and then, yeah, yeah, like that. Yeah, that's right. You tell them. Woo! Woo! Truck horns. Very cool, Loper. You excited?
I'm pretty excited.
You pleased with
Wait for the video shootout. It's gonna be insane.
I know. Yeah, we're gonna do a shootout of all the different 450 exhausts that we have access to. Yeah, you're gonna want to see that. It's gonna be coming up soon.
The next day.
Well, good morning. It's been a few days. Loper's on his way. Tim's here.
With my new Element fire extinguisher.
Oh, that's right.
Thank you, Dan.
He did actually buy one. Yeah. Hey, it's good to keep one in the car. You can buy those at normalguysupercar.com. All right, so Loper will be here in a second. We're actually going to a car show, but I haven't actually heard the car on the road yet. So we want to hear his new exhaust, his brand new IPE titanium exhaust. Oh, by the way, those are for sale on my website, normalguysupercar.com. Go check it out. You can buy them now. Yeah, it'll be sweet.
It'll be sweet.
That's really quiet. The valve's closed.
Oh,
Oh, there it is.
God, here on these riders.
It's 7 in the morning. The neighbors are sleeping. We gotta keep it down, man. Shh.
Hi, Loper.
How you guys doing?
Good.
We're gonna get some flybys today.
Yes.
I got a little brandy over here. Look at brandy.
Now I can hear shit. What's the shirt? Oh, your exhaust zombies.
I gotta represent the exhaust zombies.
That's right. Yes.
We're gonna be having a huge shootout here in I don't know soon, right, Dan? We're
Yeah,
gonna
yeah.
this thing.
Yeah.
We're gonna
Very
compare
soon.
all the top exhaust systems,
Yeah.
and we're gonna let the community decide.
I agree. Yes. Yes.
But I'm loving the way this thing sounds.
You happy?
Oh my gosh. It's,
Is
I
it?
think
It's weird. It's deeper.
really. Well, I mean, at the high revs, it's so high tone, unbelievable.
It's
So
even more.
It's low when it's quiet, or when it's low revs, and then. But it sounds more like tinny.
Does it? Yeah. That should.
I
It
love
should.
it. I think it's just more refined.
Nice.
Huge
well,
fan.
I can't wait to hear it.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing.
Well-
Like, you should drive this, dude. We
Okay.
should swap today.
Oh no! Please don't make me drive your
You
car.
should just drive the car, Dan.
Okay. We had an interruption. So for the first time ever, it would appear that my 458 is broken.